Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th subject Marigold. We have completed our first unit in textbook and workbook also. Now today we are going to discuss a story about the little fir tree. This is a very interesting story. Fir tree. These trees are famous for their use as Christmas tree. Okay, now let's start about this story. One day, Seti, as magician, when he was going to his home, on the way, suddenly rain started. He was looking around for shelter and he saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. After some time, rain stopped. Seti was feeling happy that he did not get wet. He was feeling very happy and said thanks to fir tree and said that you have kind to me. I like to reward you, he said to fir tree that ask for 4 wishes. I will grant them, said magician. The fir tree was sad because of its leaves. It was thinking that I have needles like leaves and no birds ever made their nests on it. So its first wish was that it won't green leaves like other friends, and after some time, means the next morning, its wish was granted. Means he got green leaves, and after some time a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Again it was feeling bad. Now it had left 3 more wishes. It was thinking, I wish I had gold leaves because as goat do not eat gold leaves. And next morning its wish was granted. It got golden leaves and it was feeling happy after that get these golden leaves. And after some time a man came along and stole gold leaves, and again it was feeling very bad. After that it was thinking that I wish I had glass leaves. Instead, men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves. Bright sun means again its wish was granted. It was feeling happy. And at night, the wind was blowing fastly and glass leaves broke. And again, it was feeling very bad. And again, it said, I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needle back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. Okay, have you enjoyed this story? Yes? Now, here are some new words. So, let's try to understand their meanings. First word is pretty. So pretty means attractive or beautiful. Needles means small, thin object that used for sewing. Leaves, part of a plant. Gold, a precious yellow metal. Stole, take someone's property without their permission. Okay, now our next activity is reading is fun. First, tick right the correct answer. There are some question and option given. We have to put right mark on the correct option. Okay, first question is A. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but first option, a goat came along and ate them. So according to this option, is it possible for a goat to eat gold leaf? No. So this option is not possible. All the leaves got wet in rain. So can rain affect the gold leaves? So rain does not have any effect on the gold leaves. Gold is a non-reacting metal. So this one is not possible. A man stole them. So yes, this one is right option because gold is very precious metal. So a man stole it. B. The fir tree was sad. Options are because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, because it was very short. So which is the right option? Yes, because it had needle-like leaves. Next one. C. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Options are because the goats came and ate them up, a man stole them, the gold leaves broke. So which is the right option? Yes, option a man stole them. Okay, now next activity is word building. First question, by changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. So here you can see the circled word and you have to give the opposite words to their words. So first one, I carry a light bag to school every day. So here light is circled word. So what is the opposite of light? Heavy. Yes. So sentence be like, I carry a heavy bag to school every day. B. Rita won the race. So won is circled word. So what is the opposite of won? Lost. So sentence be like, Rina lost the race. C. I love eating vegetables. So love is circled word. So what is the opposite of love? Yes, hate. So sentence be like, I hate eating vegetables. D. This glass of milk is full. So what is the opposite of full? Empty. So sentence be like, this glass of milk is empty. Next, E. The old man is wise. So what is the opposite of wise? Foolish. The old man is foolish. Okay, now question number 2. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un means un or im. So now you have to give opposite words for the words given by adding im or un. So happy. So what is the opposite of happy? Unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant, perfect, imperfect, healthy, unhealthy, safe, unsafe, passion, impatient, pure, impure. Okay, now next question number 3. Rita loved her dog Seru. Every day Seru would go out of the house and come back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Seru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Yes, it was Seru. Rita was very happy. Give the opposites of the words in blue. So here are some words given in blue color. So we have to write their opposite meaning. So here first one is love. So what is the opposite of love? Hated. Go out. So come in. Come. Go. Everywhere. Nowhere. Down. Up. Lost. Found. Crying, laughing, happy, sad. Now here nowhere given, that means you can write everywhere. Okay, now next activity is let's write. First question, rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. So here we have to use capital letters and some punctuation marks. So capital letters are used while writing a new sentence. That means the first letter of the word of new sentence is always start with capital letters, and proper nouns also written with capital and also punctuation marks also where necessary. So let's start. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. So here O is first letter of this sentence. So always write in capital first letter. So one O and Saturday. Saturday is proper noun. So we will write its first letter in capital. So one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his sister Rani. So both Amarjit and Rani also proper nouns. So we will write in capital letter. So first letter in capital. Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. India Gate is also noun. So we will write first letter in capital and full stop. They saw ducks, water, and their friends Raj. So here the T is first letter of next sentence. So T we will write in capital, and so ducks, comma, water, and their friends Raj. Raj is noun. So we will write its first letter in capital. Okay, next. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle like leaves. Best for gods, don't eat them, and no man can steal them. So here, oh dear, this is an expression given by poetry. So we have to kept it in inverted comma with exclamation mark. Said the fir tree, I like my old needle like leaves. Best, comma, for gods don't eat them, and no man can steal them, and full stop. Okay, now next activity is let's talk. First question, look at the picture below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You can not see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. see. So here in this yellow box there are 8 things name given. You have to find that which things you can see in this picture. So first one, ducks. Can you see that ducks here? Yes, there are 2 ducks. So yes, dog. No, there are not dog. There are no dogs. So no. Boy. Yes, the boy is here. Fountain. No, there are no fountains. So no. Mat. Yes, we can see mat here. Girl. Yes, there are also one girl. Tree. Yes, there are trees. Flowers. There are many flowers in this picture. So these 4 things we can see that. So here downside, 4 blanks given. You have to write that thing's name that you can see in this picture. Ducks, mat, girl and tree. Okay, now question number 2. Look at the picture again. Describe the picture. So here this picture you have to describe in your own words. So you can write like this way. There is a boy and girl in the picture. The boy is standing and he has a cap on his head. The girl is sitting near the mat and a bird is flying near the mat, and you can write many sentences that you know your own way. Okay, now fun time. Second question. Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can. So here are some things, pictures. So we have to find that which things can break easily. Spoon, no. Table, no. Flower pot, yes, flower pot can break easily. Plastic water bottle, no. Books, no. Cup, yes, cup can break easily. So here circle.